Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make pesto focaccia bread. Start by mixing warm water with yeast and a little sugar to bloom it, then stir in flour, salt, and olive oil until a shaggy dough forms. Knead briefly, let the dough rest, press it into an oiled pan, then drizzle pesto and olive oil, dimple the surface, and allow a final rise before baking until golden. Start by proofing your yeast in warm water until it becomes foamy, then combine with flour, salt, and olive oil to form a tacky dough. Transfer to a lightly floured surface and knead briefly until smooth but still slightly sticky. Place the dough into a well-oiled pan, pressing gently to spread, cover with a towel, and let it rest until it puffs noticeably before adding toppings and dimpling. Preheat your oven so the pan hits a hot surface for immediate oven spring, then press dimples into the dough and spoon pesto into the indentations for concentrated flavor. Scatter herbs and sprinkle flaky salt, then drizzle more olive oil for a glossy finish. Bake on the middle rack until the top is golden and the center feels springy, then cool briefly on a rack before slicing for best texture and flavor.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.